credit for it. 2 touchdown receptions versus Northern Colorado to get Northwest here.
Double tight end set for Bryson at the 8. First down, goal to go. It's Lane, up the lane, into the end zone, touchdown. An 8-yard touchdown run by Lane.
Well, you sometimes can be your own worst enemy. Control the game for the first quarter. You get a turnover. Questrump lays it on the ground. Derrick Lane in the end zone for the tying score.
So the Bearcats can take the lead with a successful extra point. David Purnell on to attempt the PAT, a 2-play drive which went 22 yards. It's good. So the Bearcats have taken their first lead of the day thanks to a fumble by the Eagles. 7-6 is our score here in Florence, Alabama.